na lilipwe na hata walipo.
Shifting focus, chaotic scenes played out in the streets of Garissa as residents clashed with police over the alleged resurgence of forced disappearances in the region. The latest victim, Abdi Rashid Hish, a businessman, is still missing, with family and friends saying he was last seen at a police station 4 days ago. Hamza Yusuf reports from Garissa.
For the better part of the day, demonstrators clashed with police officers in Garissa town, engaging police in running battles after yet another local vanished shortly after leaving Garissa police station 4 days ago.
He was taken to the Garissa police station where and his phone was confiscated. They told him to write, they interrogated him, and later on they put him in the cell. They wrote an OB for him, and we don't actually know what is there, what the reason for the arrest. Then after that, they said they are going to give him a bond, a free bond, to be released.
The family of Abdi Rashid, a businessman and a father of 5, says he was an honest and hard-working man, refuting the claim that he was involved in illegal activities as alleged by the authorities.
Mimi mtoto yangu, please, serikali ilete mtoto yangu. Kama yuko na hatia, niambie yuko na hatia, kuna kotini, kuna njia mingi. Tafadhali, mtoto yangu iletwe, naomba tafadhali serikali.
He's diabetic, he's a businessman, innocent, and since right now we heard that he is guilty, there is no sufficient evidence, so we are appealing to the government that our son should be brought with immediate effect.
According to police, Rashid, alias China, was released from the police station, but the family is questioning the credibility of the report.
So immediately they released him. Just in front of the cell at the door, there was a car waiting and marked. And inside the car, there were people who were not in police uniform. So right in front of our eyes, my father was there, I was there, and we have so many witnesses. He was taken out of the cell. Just at the door, four people in an unmarked car took him and bundled him into that car. So up to now, we don't know where he is.
IPOA's regional office coordinator in Garissa, Timothy Nzomo, says his office is investigating the issue. This is not the first time report of missing person have emerged from Garissa, Wajir and Mandera towns, but the family of Abdi Rashid is holding on to hope that their loved one will return home soon. Hamza Yusuf, KTN News, Garissa.
Now, Kenya Postal Corporation